Okay, this is a flute tutorial for Furioso by Robert W. Smith. At the beginning of each line you have two flats, B flat and E flat in your key signature. This corresponds with a nice beginner scale called B flat major. You've got B flat at the back, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, B flat. Coming down, A, G, F, E flat, D, C, B flat. Play this every time you go to practice Furioso. Okay, so at the beginning you've got forte, G, you've got a G, then an E flat, then a D. On the D, you'll notice that underneath there, it's written SVP, and that stands for Sforzando Piano. You're going to start at forte. When you get to the D, you want to drop as quickly as you can to as quiet as you can, and then regrow into a forte. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3. That's not an easy thing to do on the flute. It does require some practice. After this, you've got 7 bars rest. Count them like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. This. From 11. 1, 2, 3. That's that first section. From 27, just notice that the first beat of the bar is silent. There's a rest. So you've got rest, D, D, C, D, E flat, F, E flat, C. Rest, D, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, D, C. Rest, D, E flat, F, rest, E flat, F, G, A. Let's do that section. 27. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice there I tried to make a crescendo as well, so that when I get to bar 35 I hit that G at a forte. Okay, so at 35 I've got G, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, then rest, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3. That's that section. Bar 59 looks very much like 27. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's Furioso. Try to pay attention to the dynamics. That's really important in this piece. practice your B flat major so you know all of the notes, all of the fingerings that you need for this piece. And yeah, just try and play a little bit every day.